Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to connect a wired keyboard with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we need a connector, OTG connector. You can see here I'm using Protonix M-Port V3 and this device only work with Galaxy S25 Ultra while connecting the charge. If you unplug the charging, then this device don't work with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and it is work with some older phones like OnePlus 70 without charging. So some device work with without charging, some device only work with charging. So we are connected the charger and after that we are going to connect this USB type C to our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay. Connected, then you can see here our phone is charging and we are using the keyboard. So I have a little bit camera space, so congested area I will only show this thing is working. Okay, and you can see here, sorry, before that we need to connect this type C to this dongle. You can see here we are connecting this one with this dongle. Okay, connected. Then you can see there is a symbol of A, that means a physical keyboard is connected. Okay, now you can see number lock, it is just activated. You can see the light blinking and we are typing that this one, so it is working. Okay, you can see that, and I'm selecting this one. Okay, everything is working, you can see that, and also we can copy these things like hello, Control A, copy it, Control X, cut, and Control V, paste. Everything is working. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and in this way you can simply use a keyboard with your mobile phone if you are typing long typing professional, that means blog writing or any story writing something, or programmer, anything. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.